Hey guys, today I just wanted to make a quick video about the 6-month update for my do-it-yourself Avalonking ceramic coating kit. I completely prepped the car the way that they tell you to. I buffed and polished the entire car first, then you clay bar it, or sorry, in opposite order. You clay bar it first, then you buff and polish the entire car. You wipe it down with an IPA mix to get rid of any last contaminants, and then you proceed with the ceramic coating process. I did it over about 3 or 4 days in the afternoons when I got off of work, and it was a very lengthy, very time-consuming process, and I had very high expectations for the product with how much effort it took to install. With that being said, there are a couple benefits to this over the standard wax, and there are also a couple downsides. One of the big downsides to me was all of the prep work that you have to do to get the car prepared for the ceramic coating. Another one is that it does not quite perform the way that I would like it to when compared to a standard, like a Carnauba wax. It doesn't quite beat up the water as well. Stuff still sticks to it a little bit more than it would with the wax, and overall, it just kind of a little bit disappointed in the product overall. If I had to go back and do it all over again, I would probably stick with wax. It does take a little bit longer to apply, and you do have to apply it every other month or so. Whereas with the ceramic coating, you only apply it once, and then you're good for, as Avalonking says, up to 3 years. So we'll see about that. I do have a gallon of distilled water here. Now I'm going to show you how it beads up the water. Don't want any water spots on it. I just watched it. So spray a little bit of water right there. And you can see, even after I just washed it with the ceramic reinforcement shampoo that Avalonking sells, the water just sits on the vehicle. It does not repel at all. It doesn't really bead up at all. It just kind of sits. Even over here on the sides, on the fender, it does bead off, but it still sticks around, and it's not quite as good as like standard wax would be, in my opinion. I did the wheels, I did the rest of the car. As far as the videos where they show the dirt all over the car and you can just spray it off with the water hose, that's completely BS. You have to scrub it. Honestly, it almost seems like it's harder to get the dirt and contaminants off now than it was before I installed the ceramic coating. So all in all, I mean, the product definitely works, not quite as advertised. I do think there are better products out there. Maybe a professional ceramic coating from a, like a professional detailing shop would probably do a little bit better. For the amount of effort that it took to install the ceramic coating, like I said, I'm kind of disappointed in it, but what can you do now? It's on there. I don't know how to get it off. So even if I wanted to switch back to wax, I don't even know how I would go about doing that. So just be kind of cautious if that's the way you want to go. Make sure you do your research and figure out if that's truly what you want to do. Like I said, a lot more prep work, not quite as good of a product as wax, just a little bit more longevity. So hope this helps your opinions and helps you make up your mind. Thank you. Have a good one.